Hey, this is Nikki Terry Style, and today I'm coming to you in my most basic fall outfit so we can talk about how to break out of your styling ruts and how to style outfits during this transition from summer to fall.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.
So real quick, let me say welcome. We do thrifting, style inspiration, DIY, thrift flips, plus size fashion, vintage when we can get it. And we also learn about making more sustainable fashion choices as we go. New videos every Sunday, sometimes bonus content during the week too. So please subscribe, like the videos that you like, leave me comments, all the YouTube things. Thank you. Okay, to clarify, I adore this basic fall outfit. I put on this flannel for the first time this year and it was like, oh, sweet, buttery, soft heaven. This is so cozy. I live for a flannel, a blanket scarf. We all love like the layered up fall looks. So this is not hate for any sort of like basic styling. Like we all are ready to let our basic flag fly. And just to prove that there is no hate in my heart, I am drinking my pumpkin spice latte today. So that said, this is just meant to be like positive inspiration in a way for me to go into my closet, break out of my fall typical styling rut. And also let's just talk about how awkward it is to style clothes this time of year sometimes, because you're like ready to start saying goodbye to some of like the summery looks, the summer dresses, but you're not ready to like layer up in blanket scarves and flannels because it's still like 80 or 90 degrees outside. In our hearts, we're ready for fall, but the weather is not cooperating. So that's the idea behind this video. Last week, I did a video that was the top 5 trends for fall 2020 fashion. It's a lot of fun. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll put it so the link pops up at the end of this video so you can go there for some more fall style inspiration if you'd like. Today, we're not only going to focus on the 2020 fall trends, but also some broader, more generic fall aesthetics that tend to come around every year and how to bring those into our late summer style. I did try to break this down into the 5 areas where you can start looking in your closet to bring in those fall aesthetics. The first aesthetic I want to talk about is color. Fall, we think of neutrals, especially browns. We also think of like warm autumnal colors like a mustard yellow, a burnt orange, sometimes like a burgundy. But I'm also going to be looking for a couple of colors that are kind of popping off this year and very on trend. Red is definitely having a moment, especially doing like a whole monochrome head to toe red look, and deeper shades of blue, everything from like cerulean to a navy blue, but especially that cobalt blue. So I'm going to be looking to see if I can do any color blocking with the red and brown and or the blue and brown. The next aesthetic we'll talk about is pattern, and this is really closely tied in with color, of course. The obvious route would be like leopard print, buffalo check, like I'm currently wearing. For me, I think what I want to do is focus in on patterns that are like pretty on trend right now for summer and looking for those in neutral tone. I want to look for some gingham. If I had some brown or tan gingham, that would be like ideal. Also love neutral florals. Next, I want to talk about textiles, and I think the idea here is to pull summer pieces, things that you can wear in the heat, like tank tops and skirts, but look for fabrics that are a little bit more fall inspired. Leather is a good option maybe because it is definitely gonna be on trend for fall, and I know myself and like probably many people will have a leather skirt or mini skirt in their closet, so that could be a good option to style up. I think velvet is also another great fall fabric, but it can be kind of heavy, so maybe just a piece that has like a little bit of velvet in it or something that's like sheer and velvet, that could be good. Satin and silk. I also want to look for things that are like kind of cozy. So like cable knit, fuzzy, and like kind of mohair. Next, I think we could look at accessories. And this is obviously always a really easy way to shake up your style is by pulling on different accessories with your look. Fall for me, I think it's going to be a matter of simple swaps. Instead of wearing a pair of sandals, wear a pair of mules. I'm also in love with platforms right now, and I just thrifted a pair. Those are gonna pop up in a lot of my outfits. And the final accessory advice, I think, is to put a hat on it. Instantly feel like you are 10 times more styled than you were. That is an easy way, I think, to make your look a little bit more fall inspired. Put a hat on it. And my fifth and final inspiration as I'm going through my closet is going to be just sort of getting creative in general. You know, dusters and like long cardigans are definitely a fall item, but it's way too hot to wear those right now. So I'm gonna go grab some of my summer dresses. They're a little bit lighter and that button all the way down, and try wearing them open over other pieces. Other pieces to look for and pull out would be like Bermuda shorts, if you've got like pleated Bermuda shorts at home, especially if you've got a matching blazer to go with the shorts. Like the sets are so hot right now, and you can just pull that over a crop top, or like even if you like to do the tube top or sort of like bralette style. Anything menswear inspired really would be good, like trousers and culottes and stuff like that. I also just saw on YouTube, if you follow Karina Gomez on YouTube, okay, she's incredible, and her style inspo video today included this outfit where she put on this long green blazer and then just belted it with this like gold chain belt, and oh, it looked so amazing on her. So there you go. I'm stealing her style inspiration. Go watch her video and see how she styled that, and then steal that look because it was hot. I think we're ready to go in and shop our closets for this fall aesthetic in late summer styles. And I, for one, am very excited to go dig in and see what outfits I can come up with. I'm gonna, of course, show you all the styles that I put together here in a moment, and leave me comments and let me know what you think, which ones you like, or how you would style them differently, what you're coming up with in your own closets at home. And I really hope you get some good inspiration from this next part. So here we go. Let's style up these looks.
Your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Never know, talking like Geronimo, get dropped down like some dominoes. Blues and greens and pinks, I got a lot of those. Yeah, you know, talking slime, I can't relate to snakes, I see a lot of foes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. 10 toes, keep it thorough, stepping out for sure, though, time to let them know. Rubber band bands, I got a lot of dough, oh for sure. Working around the clock, sometimes I need me more than 24. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe, said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Feed you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go.
Nice hat.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it.
If you don't know, this is a Burberry skirt that I thrifted for $2 and have been bragging about since my last video. Found tons of vintage, found a luxury designer skirt and got it for $2. So you can go watch that video and you can watch me thrift this skirt. This is probably my favorite look. I've never tried this before. I did like a bra tuck with this top just to get it like cropped and have it look more like a set with this skirt. And it's not perfect, but like if I play with it even a little bit more, it could be really, really good. Ah, I think it's so cute. It's definitely giving me like a little bit, if you watch Riverdale, which maybe I do. It's gonna be like a little bit of a Cheryl Blossom vibe, and I'm definitely here for that.
It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control,
I'm actually struggling to style this one a little bit, so I thought maybe I'd just share my thought process with you. Obviously, I wanted to layer up a button-down dress over. I put it over another dress. I belted it and left it just open on the side because I thought maybe it was cool to have this like panel color blocking. This dress is shorter than the other dress, so there's like a tiered effect kind of. I'm not 100% if I love it. Also not sure about if this belt is the right choice, so I'm gonna try another one. I did put a little brooch on this because I actually pinned the top dress to the bottom dress because I thought that would also kind of help it stay in place, but obviously only on one side. But this belt cinches a little bit smaller too, so that could help. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. This dress, because of the puff sleeve, I love the draping on it, but it also gave me a little bit of like a graduation gown vibe when I put it on, you know, open like this. So. So yeah, not spectacular styling here, but I had to be real with you. Like, this is definitely the type of outfit that I'm gonna be reaching for this time of year. Well, this is all my style inspiration for the day. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I think I've got like 15 new outfits that I had never thought to combine before. So I hope you got the same inspiration and start bringing some of the fall elements into your style now that we're getting into that season. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll do it again soon. Here's what we're gonna do. I've got, so that's the idea behind this video. Think of the words. Help me, pumpkin spice. Eating pizza. The skeleton ran out of shampoo in the shower. You're still getting that like kind of free, like naked foot feeling. Wait, what? DIY thrift flips. Nope. No. Oh, yes. So I just got that mannequin, and every time I leave the room and go change and then come back in, it's startled me to see that figure. Good prank. Pranking myself. Well, these are boozy gummy bears. I don't want one. Yeah, I'm gonna have one more. It's for the video. Between the scarf and like this blouse, I just don't want to look like a fucking pirate. Oh, I didn't see there.